All right, so we just got our new battery backup for our house here. It is the new EcoFlow Delta Pro 3. We already have a Delta 2 Max with an extra battery that we use for various things, but this one's going to be doing our entire condo. So, gonna open it up and see where we go with it. It is 125 pounds though, so it's going to be interesting to do this by myself. Unfortunately, I don't have any help with me tonight, so let's go. Alright, so of course they're booking everything. Quick start guide and everything else. The whole smart home system. That's our next step. It's going to be the smart home panel 2 to connect everything up here. So yeah. All right. Jesus. That thing is big. I'm pretty sure this thing comes with wheels. I assume it's just like the regular, the original Pros. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut down one side of the box here and roll it out. There's one corner. Oh yeah, that is not light. There we go. All right. Let's see what that thing's down in here. Let's see, where we at? Just the power cord and oh, little pads for the handles. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so yeah, just 4 120s. That's what, the 30 amp. Yeah, the 240, and of course USBs. Cool. It has this outlet on the side also. What is that? NEMA 1450? 1430? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it, but I believe it's a 1430. And on this side, yeah, you got your solar, and I can't read the rest there. Yeah, it's definitely not light. Alright, so yeah, all the charging, extra batteries. Okay. All right, so that's it out of the box. It is big. So next step I'm going to do is get it powered on and get it set up, and we'll take a look from there. Thanks.